What is up, my simple cooks? It's Jono here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today, we are making French omelette. I absolutely love this dish because it's super cheap to make. It only takes 3 eggs and a bit of butter, but it looks extremely impressive. It all comes down to practicing the right technique. Now, my number one tip before you make this dish is to use a good quality non-stick fry pan. If you don't have a non-stick fry pan, you can pretty much kiss your chances of making a good French omelette goodbye. Trust me, I've been there. Anyways, let's get cooking. First thing we want to do is crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk until combined. Make sure the yolk and the egg whites are nicely incorporated. Next step, heat a good quality non-stick fry pan on medium heat and add your butter in. When your butter is melted, lower the heat down to a medium low and add the eggs in. We want to cook these eggs on a nice, gentle heat. Once the eggs go in, you want to keep moving them around. Best way to do this is to shake your pan and use a spatula to scrape the bottom. Make sure you're using a wooden or plastic spatula so you don't ruin your pan. As the eggs are starting to set, you can also bring the eggs into the middle of the pan like this. You want to keep mixing for the first minute because that's what's going to give you that light, airy finish to the eggs. Then leave it be and let the eggs set. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your eggs are starting to set a little, don't forget to add salt and pepper. Run your spatula around the sides. This will make it easier for you to get the eggs off nice and smoothly at the end. After about another minute, the bottom should be set. You want to take it off the heat when the top is still slightly gooey. That's what's going to give you that lovely, soft texture on the inside. Nice. To get our gorgeous French omelette shape, use a spatula and roll 1/3 of the omelette over. Then, keep rolling until you have about 1/3 left. You can use a spoon to help it along just to be safe. Now, all that's left to do is serve this on our plate. To finish it off, get a bit of butter and rub the outside to give it a lovely, glossy, buttery finish. And if you want to be even fancier, you can chop up some chives and garnish that over. My friends, I present you a fine looking French omelette. That's what you get when you learn the technique well, guys. You can use cheap, simple ingredients like eggs and turn them into something beautiful like this. So I want you to get in the kitchen, practice this a couple of times and get it right. Eggs are cheap, guys, so don't be afraid to screw up a few times. The first time I made this dish, it turned into a complete mess. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Just remember that one important tip: use a non-stick fry pan. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting us know what other recipes and cooking techniques you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out.
No, I think Can you set the power of it? No, I think it's fun. It's not fun. Alright. That's it. Are you recording? Yeah, it's recording. Cheers. Pancake. Cheers. I like French people, so yeah. I appreciate your food. Yeah. It's wasn't cooked by a Frenchman. I know. It's a disgrace. They lost World War II. The French. Yeah. The French. They didn't lose World War II. What are you talking about? They won. They were the Allies. With the help of the Americans. Yes, they didn't lose. They won. Hit you with that through. Blackpink. Alright, say bye to everyone. Bye, guys. See you next week. You retard.